Hey everybody, this is Chris, AKA Helgaiden, and we're here today to do a case swap for Coalition Gaming Crew member Rusty. What we got over here is a Silverstone RL-01 case, this red line. This is the new case. The old case is just a EVGA case. You can see it's got a nice big window on it, but the wire management for this case wasn't the greatest. What we're also going to be doing is adding a Hyper 212 Evo. It's already got some fans in there. It's got the Corsair AF120 fans. We're going to be setting two up as exhaust, one intake, another one on exhaust in the rear, and if we can fit it on the bottom after we put the power supply, we have this Rosewill red LED fan to go with that. And then we're going to go with the old standard Arctic MX4 thermal paste. The system over here that you're seeing is an i3 4160 Haswell based system. We got a MSI motherboard on there with the RX480 reference card, and it runs everything great. It's pretty great for a little budget computer. I highly recommend a setup like that if you're on a budget. It runs everything great. All right, let's get to it. Alright, here we are. We're installing the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo right now. So it's time to apply some thermal paste and get that placed on there. Back plate has already been installed. As you can see, it's been tightened down. You've got the post right here. And it's good to go with about a grain of rice to pea size type dot for thermal paste, maybe a little less than a pea. I always hate this part. There it is, installed, plugged in, nice. All right, everybody, the build is complete. The transplant is done. So here we are. Check it out. It's running. Booted up, no problem. It's got tons of airflow. Probably gonna get a fan controller on this at some point, but it's great. This is Rusty's Windows is stupid build. That's what he named it. It's right, but that's what he named it. In the Silverstone case. See you guys next time.